Okay, day 182 here. Just found out another thing that needs to be replaced. I'm hoping it's just the battery portion, but I have a feeling that the board may be fried because of the corrosion from the at some point the batteries leaked. I didn't see any evidence of battery leakage on the ones that I took out to replace, but when I took them out, I heard something fall, and then the far right battery holder spins around, which it shouldn't, but it does. So that needs to be taken a look at. And there's a lot of work to do. I'm hoping to get the YouTube community that restores pinballs. I know there's one local in Portland. Trying to remember the YouTube name, but yeah, there is someone that I actually trust to restore the high-speed pinball machine, but like I said, I don't remember the YouTube nickname right now, but I'll show you the batteries that I took out and the part that is corroded. There's actually corrosion on all three of the top parts of the battery holder. So anyways, so those are the three batteries that I took out. Put in whole new ones. Let me get a flashlight. Can't really see it very well. So I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, and when I took the battery out, I could, on the right one here that I have the light on, that I noticed that there was some nasty green crud on it, and I was like, oh great. They either, like I said, I don't think the ones that were in there leaked, but I think at some point some batteries leaked, and they just didn't bother to clean any of the acid that leaked onto the contacts. And as you can see on top, it's really bad. I'll try and get this light situated so that I have a hand free, and show you the try and rotate the part that is that I was talking about. Of course, it's probably, yeah. Anyways, I don't know if you can see it really well. But, yeah. I think I might take out the battery here. Yeah. shouldn't be able to move the this top part. I think the soldering from it fell when I fell off of the back when I went to take out the battery and put the new one in. Yeah, I think it popped there was so much corrosion on it that it popped the soldering on the back. And this one's not any better. The middle one has some oxidation on it. The left one is fairly okay, but the whole thing needs to be replaced. So yeah, another thing that's defunct on this old machine, pinball machine that I have, and you can tell by my deep sighs that I'm not really happy about discovering this. So that means I have to take all this wiring stuff off and make sure I have it taped so that I can reattach it in the right spot so that I'm not frying something. So, yay, fun. Well, yeah. Yeah, and this part here, I was looking at the, photos, and something's attached, some wires are attached to this. I don't know, what. I don't know if it's these wires that it connects to, or if what. I don't know. I'll admit I'm not an engineer. Like I said in the other videos, I'm willing to learn how to fix pinball machines because I like to save them from being scrapped. So I'm hoping that this battery holder is it's just corroded and it hasn't fried anything, but like I said, I'll have to check the back side of it and see if it's if I need a new board. And of course I'm not going to turn it on because I don't want to risk frying it if it isn't fried. But I'll just put those in anyways. So I think that is the end of the surprises, but hey, you never know with these pinball machines what next will crop up and bite you in the arse. Anyways, I'm Day182 from YouTube, and frustrated that I found yet another problem that needs fixing, but hey, that's part of the restoration, is finding these things before you go to restore it, and then find out you fried something because you didn't catch it the first time. So